moving day. Here we go. Oh, that's gonna be our life now. Welcome home, Leo. Welcome home. You like it? Are you gonna go pick up your room? I mean, pick out your room.
But it isn't in the front of the gate though, but...
Because it was raw espacio aquí.
Yeah, it looks very, like, small.
Look, boy! Who's that? Come, right here. Who's that?
Yeah, he said that.
Right here, come here. Look! Look! He doesn't care about himself. Two of you! Two of me, two of you.
You're so funny. You're so funny.
No.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're continuing the moving series. We're gonna start this video by taking you on an empty apartment tour. So this is a 1-bedroom apartment. Don't forget to watch my other apartment videos. So let's go ahead and get started. It is gloomy today, so there's not a lot of sun outside, but this is the main door. And then when you enter, you have a window on the right. And this is the living room space. I think it's pretty big, to be honest. We used to be in a studio, so I think this is really, really spacious. So these are the floors, and then this is kind of just the overall setup. We are going to see how we like decorate everything. I'll eventually show like an actual like full-on apartment tour once I'm done decorating and everything. But over here to the left, you have the little dining area. I found a little table on Facebook Marketplace, so that's gonna go in here. And this is the little fan, another window right here, and you can actually kind of see the pool over there. And then to your right, you have the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. Really, really happy with it, to be honest. All the appliances are new, which I'm really grateful for. So this is the fridge, and I'll open up right here. This is the top fridge. I mean the freezer. And then this is the bottom of the fridge. And then a lot of cabinet space. This is also new, which is really, really nice. And I've never had like an electric stove before, so I always wanted one. I know it's easier to clean and stuff, so I'm excited about that. But yeah, this is the stove, oven, and stuff. And then all the cabinet space up there, which is amazing. So whenever I'm cooking, it'll be here, which is really exciting. A lot of space, like I mentioned here. I think this is like a pantry. I don't know what I'm gonna put in here, but as you can tell, there's like so much space. Like, I don't even think we have enough things to like fill this in, but this is the space right here. And then over here to the left, you have the dishwasher. So this one is also brand new as well, which is really, really nice. The counter space is just like white, which I love. I was hoping that it was gonna be white because they said it might be like a peach color, because we only saw like another apartment that was similar, but not the official one that we were gonna get. So a lot more space here, the sink, and then a lot of like more space down here. And I love that these drawers are super easy to open because they like roll. At our last place, it was a little bit rough to do that. And then again, like more space. Then over here, we're gonna go to the closet. So we have one closet. This is gonna be Caesar's closet. There is a light here somewhere. There it is. It has these little white metal bar things, which is really helpful, I think. And that's what it looks like. Pretty spacious, I think. And then over here to the right, you have the bathroom. And again, pretty much all white bathroom. You have this mirror right here. We're actually thinking of adding a mirror on this side because there's no mirror right here, so we'll have to look for one. I think the lighting here is honestly really, really nice. I could definitely see myself like getting ready and all that stuff here. And this mirror is actually so much bigger than I thought it was gonna be. And over here is just the toilet. This is the bathtub. And then we do have to get a curtain because we don't have, it doesn't come with like a sliding door or anything. And we do have a window, which is nice because we didn't have one. Yeah, this is what the bathroom looks like. This is the cabinet space underneath the sink. And then it also has this one, which I think is really nice. It's like a little sliding thing. And then over here to the right, you have the towel area, I guess. Like, this is kind of like the linen closet, I think. I don't know what these are called, but this is more space for like towels or anything like that, I think. So lots of storage space. I'm really impressed with the amount of storage. And it literally goes from the floor to the ceiling, so really nice. And then over here to your left is the actual bedroom. The bedroom I think is really spacious, so I'm really happy about this. I think I'm gonna put our bed this way, and then nightstands, I think we're gonna get some to put on the sides. But this is the window, and I honestly think the lighting is pretty good here with this window. And we have this closet, which is gonna be my closet. So I am so excited to have my own closet. This is not like a huge closet, but honestly I think this is like a good size for me. So let me show you. Also, it seems like they just installed these little like handles, and they're actually like mirrored, so they kind of blend in with that. So it has the sliding door, and it's just a little bigger than the other closet, and it has the same like white little racks and stuff for organizing and stuff. I think I'm still gonna get some organizers for here, but I'm not sure. We'll see, I guess. But this is what it looks like. I think this is super spacious, to be honest. I think I'm gonna put my little dresser here, or even here. Like I can actually fit my suitcases under here. So this is pretty spacious, I think. So that is the closet. We have this little area here, which I'm not sure we're gonna put anything there, but we'll see. But overall, this is the bedroom. I'm actually thinking of getting a little vanity to put here, like in the bedroom, in this little corner, instead of having like my desk that I have. But I'm gonna see if I can find one, or if I can fit one. But that is pretty much the apartment tour. So I hope you enjoyed this. Tomorrow we're gonna bring in everything, so we'll continue the vlog tomorrow. So I will see you soon. Oh, hi Leo. Hi Leo. Hi Leo. You're back. You're back. You're back. Over to the apartment. We're bringing pretty much everything. We did get a little like mini storage for the last couple of days because we didn't have enough space, because we did rent like a van for U-Haul, not like a big truck. So we ended up needing a little storage. So today is moving day. We've been staying at my parents for the last 2 days, which has been very helpful. Saturday morning, and we should be there in like about 30-ish minutes, and then we're gonna unload as much as we can, pretty much everything, and then we'll start the unpacking process. So I'm excited. It's finally come. All the craziness has been worth it. I can't wait to shower and get back into a routine and film content and everything. This is the van. There's Caesar's driving. So I will update you. We are all packed up.
More.
Good morning. Today was our first morning here, and Leo's on the bed. Yesterday we went to Target, but my battery died and I didn't have the charger, so I will insert a little clip TikTok video that I made of the items that I bought yesterday. We bought a lot of like bedding stuff and just more essential stuff for us to sleep, so like our towels and stuff to shower, and then we just bought like some bed stuff like bed sheets and this new quilt thing. But I'm not sure if we're gonna keep the quilt. We're probably gonna keep it. I just think we're probably going to get like a comforter like later on. But this sound in the background, that's gonna be our life now. Our room is pretty empty, so gonna tackle a lot of unpacking still. We did have our friends help us yesterday, which is really helpful, but we still have like unpacking to do. So I'm gonna tackle the closet right now. I think I showed you guys, it's really spacious. I need to unpack stuff and stuff, so that's all my clothes as well. I have my little dresser back here, and I need to open that up. I don't know where I'm gonna put my shoes and stuff. I need to buy organizers, so if you have any like idea in terms of what I should use, because this is like the setup that it came with, I just don't know how I'm gonna put it all together. So for now, I'm just gonna unpack, and then at some point we'll probably do like a closet organization video, and then we can do that together. But for now, let's just unpack. Like, what is it? It is a little bit later. We just got our first little Amazon package to this new apartment, so I thought I would show you. The lighting here is so good, so good. Like, it looks so good on the camera, so it makes me so excited. But this is actually, I think, things for Leo, so I just thought I would show you anyways. We have a couple more things coming, and it'll probably be in other vlogs because, you know, we're just unpacking, and then I'll probably end the moving series, which is crazy. But I'll still be vlogging and stuff, but he's very curious about what's in here that he's covering you guys. Okay. Let's open it. So we still need like some things for Leo, like I wanted like a slow feeder for him because he eats really fast, and then I wanted like a cooling pad because it gets so much hotter here where we are than where we used to live. So it's going to be warm, and he already gets really hot even though we have like flooring. He gets really hot, and so we got him this little cooling pad, and all of this will be linked in my Amazon storefront if you want to buy it. It is linked under pet. I have a little pet idea list. So got him this. This is what it looks like. So I picked this color, and then Caesar actually measured Leo so that we like know exactly. I think we got him a medium size, so this is the pattern that it looks like. You wanna go sit on it? Yes. Good boy. Come. Yeah. Is it nice? Good boy. Wait. Look at it. It's so good. You need a haircut. Next thing we got is this. So we already had this for what, like how we feed them right now, but this one was with the slow feeder, so I thought this one was really cool. So I got this one off of Amazon, and it comes with just the water bowl and this is the little pad thing. It's like he knows this stuff is for him. And then in the other one, it has the little slow feeder right here. So this is what it looks like. And it's by Cute, it seems. So we're gonna try it out tonight, but this is basically what it looks like. So I like the slow feeder thing because he gets really hungry and he eats like very, very fast. So excited to like have this because since he's a puppy, he just like really needs to be entertained. And we only have the little frog we got him, and we put treats inside and he'll play around with it and make sure that the treat comes out. But this one is really cool because it like tests your dog's IQ or whatever. It's basically like a puzzle. And let me open it, and this is what you guys will see. So he has to move these to get the treat. So I'm gonna do this actually right now and see. And then he has to move these. That is all we got, all these 3 things for today. And then I think we have a couple things tomorrow. And basically Leo's haul. But I will update you soon. I still need to do some unpacking still, but the Colossus progress is looking good. I'm gonna show it to you very soon. It's under the ones that are covered, so I'm gonna put, oh, that one moved. I'm gonna put it down for him. See, sit, wait, leave it, leave it, leave it, leave it, leave it, go. A quick update on my closet. I can actually purchase more shoes because I have space. I took the little thing because Caesar has his own little organization in his closet, so I can't believe I have this amount of space. I've never had this big of a closet in my entire life, so this is insane. This is just like my setup right now in terms of unpacking and like getting rid of all that stuff, like boxes and stuff. But I have my shoes right there, and then I put jeans right here. I don't really have that many jeans, and skirts, which I also don't have that many, so it all fits in there. And then this is kind of like my fall section. It's got all like my flannels and all the fall vibes. And then these are my sweatpants and PJ bottoms. Those are all my sweatshirts up there. This is just a mix of stuff, like a mix of sweaters and hoodies. And then up there I have my bins, which I've had for a long time. I think these are from Target. Under here I have my suitcase, and then right here is my little dresser. I still need to put like my little things up here, but for now I just have these little hats. This is little for Beauty little pool hat, and then this is little llama llama. This was Fido's little llama llama, so I am not letting Leo get close to this because he's definitely going to bite it, so he just sits right there for now. This is what the closet is looking like. Next we need to tackle the bathroom, so I think that's what we're gonna organize. We still have like boxes and stuff like the bathroom, and I think it's some little kitchen stuff. Let's tackle the bathroom.